Hello folks, today I'm going to be making Mina Ayoub's anabolic donuts. So they look very tasty and I'm very curious to see how they taste. And I will let you guys know my honest opinion on this, alright? There are a couple substitutions I made. I'm not using the exact same sugar as him. I'm using the monk fruit blend. And we also got a slightly different protein powder. We also got a slightly different powder. He uses a peanut butter cookie. We're using snickerdoodle. Close enough. They're both cookies. And we're also doubling the recipes, so that shouldn't change things too much. Making the dough. She's looking good. All right, now we'll be making the glaze. We got the glaze ingredients right here. Here we got the glaze. Looking pretty good. Okay, so the power went out, but luckily I finished making the donuts right before it went out. So here are the donuts, the final product. And I gotta say they look really nice. Very nice. And I cannot wait to try one of these bad boys. Boo! Did I scare you? I can't wait much longer. I just want to try these guys. So I'm gonna try them while the power's out. Looks very beautiful. This is a unique situation to be reviewing donuts in, isn't it? But let's try this. They're pretty good. You know what? I think I can taste that nutmeg. It's really coming through. Okay, I'm recording this on Snapchat because it has like a front-facing flashlight. So that's where you're going to see random cuts. But I'm just going to finish this guy, then I'll let you guys know how it tastes. Alright, so donut's done. And it was a solid donut. It was tasty. For its nutrients. It's a healthy donut. It's got lots of protein, low calories. Overall, a very good, healthy item. However, they're not going to match Krispy Kreme donuts. They're not going to match, those local donut shops that you might go to. They're healthy donuts. They have a lot of protein. They're not going to taste like Krispy Kreme. They just can't. Krispy Kreme's got way more sugar and fat. It's just not possible. If it were possible, then Krispy Kreme would be out of business. So for the overall rating, I'm going to factor everything into one rating. Healthiness, taste, looks. I mean, they look really good. They look amazing. So all in all, I will give this guy an 8 out of 10. I recommend you guys to try this. It is worth your time. It took me about maybe an hour of actual work to make these. You got to let them sit for 1 to 2 hours outside. So an hour of actual work, which is not too bad. And I made a dozen. The power went out. I can't make my dinner now, so I might just eat these for dinner. I mean, think about it. 1 dozen of Krispy Kreme, you're looking at about, 3,000 calories. 1 dozen of these guys, 140 times. It's about like 1,600, 1,700 calories. That's pretty good. And you're getting a lot of protein. You ain't getting no protein when you're eating those Krispy Kreme donuts, okay? So they'll make you big. Big and strong. Oh man. Bad lighting.